Yes YouTube, welcome back to another video and thanks for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to improve the overall look of your aquarium, something we haven't really covered in this channel before, some new items to unbox. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Okay, so welcome back. So like I said, in today's video we're going to go over how to improve the overall look of your aquarium. Now this is not going to involve plants or anything like that, it's probably something we haven't covered on this channel before. I've got a couple of items to unbox which I'll show you in a second, and they're from a new company called Aquascaped, and they're a company online, and I'll leave the details to their website, so their Instagram and everything else down in the description below. But so far the customer service has been brilliant from them. I ordered a couple of products to try and show my support. Michael's the guy that owns the store. He's been really helpful, kept me informed of what's going on. And the products look amazing on their website. So why don't we dig into this package and just see if they're just as good in person. Okay, so I've been waiting to open this box for a couple of days just because I wanted to do a review, guys. So it's been a bit like a kid at Christmas, not being able to open it. Okay, so we've got a little bit of messy packaging. So what's in the box? A thank you card. Nice little message. Good luck with YouTube. Thanks, Michael. And let's hope that brings me luck. Okay, so the first item in here is a CO2 diffuser, which is a really small nano one. Now, I'm gonna add this on to the AGA 45P first of all, but this is perfect for the 30C, so I'm probably gonna order another one of these. Michael, if you're listening. Okay, and the last item, so it should only be two. They're really nicely packaged. Obviously, if you order glass, you don't want it to turn up in more pieces than you ordered it in, so amazing, really impressed with that. Okay, made a bit of a mess. Nah, we'll clean it up later. Okay, so let's have a look. So we should have a glass inlet lily pipe in here. Ooh, again, nicely packaged. Thank you very much. Okay, let's have a little look. And I'll show you a close-up more of these in a bit later. Ooh, very nice. I'm gonna get fingerprints on it. I'll clean it later. Okay, so the reason I've only got the inlet and not the outlet is because at the moment the Aquascaped are limited in their stock. Obviously they're just starting out, probably need to make the money to reinvest in more equipment, which I know Michael's keen to do. I've been chatting with him a little bit, he's a really nice guy. So once they add a little bit more, I will get an outlet pipe. They do sell them at the moment, but as you've probably seen if you follow this channel, I want to get a spiral one, so it reduces the flow a little bit in the 45P. So they don't have those in stock at the moment, but when they do, I will be ordering one from them. But really happy with the product so far. They come out packaged really nicely, really impressed. I think Mike's done a great job. Now, like I said, I'm going to be looking to try and buy an outlet pipe for this as well when they become in stock with their website, if that's something they'll do. But if you want to go and check their website out, there's loads of interesting things. They've got an amazing scaping tools kit, which is lovely black satin. I'd love one of them, Michael. But anyway, now if you want to go and buy something yourself, make sure you use my discount code, which is JONS5OFF. So JONS5, the number off. And that gives you 5% off any purchases, so go and check them out and show them your support. I'm sure Mike will be massively grateful. But I'm not going to set the lily pipe up at the moment. We're going to be moving the AGA 45P at some point, and to rearrange it all now when it's going to be moved and get a new tubing for the filter, I'm not going to do right now. But we are going to set up the CO2 diffuser because, like I said, I hate the reactor in it, and try and get this tank looking better. So why don't we go and do that now? Okay, so a really nice product. I think it looks a lot nicer. Look at that, look how tiny it is. You can barely even see it in there. Whereas this, yeah, it's a little bit, it's small, so it's not too noticeable, but doesn't look the best. So I'm happy with that. Really happy with the products from Aquascaped, and like I said, make sure you go and check them out and use your coupon code, which is Johns5 off, to get a 5% discount. So go and show them your support. Now, I really can't wait to get the glass lily pipes on this, but like I said, we're probably going to wait until we move this rack. But really, really nice quality, packaged amazingly, and let's be fair, let's go and show those people who want to support our hobby, keep us afloat. But do us a massive favor, go and check them out. Amazing store. As I said, links in the description down below, as well as the Instagram and social media and that sort of thing. But I can't wait to get the lily pipes on it, like I said, to get rid of those black heads for the Awase filter. It doesn't look too bad, to be fair, because I'm lucky enough to have a black background with the black walls, so it's not too noticeable, but it'd be really nice to actually get some nice equipment in there and make this look as nice as possible. Now, I'll probably cover more on these sort of topics as we go along, get more equipment and set them up. But now's the perfect time to subscribe. There's plenty of things going on at the moment. For those of you who've been following the channel, I had a bit of a delay with the plant order. I tried to order it for Bert's enclosure. So I tried to order that through my local reptile store. I sort of forgot to order them. So I ordered them through about 4 different websites yesterday. Took ages. So they should, I had some confirmations on 2 of the deliveries that they're on their way. So that should be done sooner rather than later. We've got a 30C ADA tank set up as well from a beta fish Steve, so that's going to be coming up as well. Adding Bert into his new enclosure, getting new setups. Also, I've ordered a ball python now, so if some of you have been following me on Instagram or on my YouTube feed will see that I put a little sneak preview of what it's going to look like out there. So that's coming in December, so there's loads of things going on. We've got plenty of plans even after all those, so make sure you are subscribed. Whew. But check for my products. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today, and I'll see you in the next one.